Hello, everyone. As you know, my kitchen's been under oh remodeling. Well, it's finally done, and I'd like to share with you guys and reveal how it looks. So be patient with me. I'm gonna try not to shake you around, but we went with the dark gray cupboards, gray wall, white ceilings, and we've always had stainless steel. We didn't get new appliances at all. We just got the new flooring and repainted and brought some. We did buy some new, like the new KitchenAid and the new Wolf um, appliance. My brain went. And we got new curtains. So let's start showing you what it looks like. And I'm going to try to keep it to where you guys can see and I can see. So that's my new curtain blind. Goes all the way across now, which I love. All right, let me go this way first. It's a little dark, but I tried to do it the bright as I could. That's the cupboards, and that's by the dishwasher. We did not get a new dishwasher because I don't want one yet. There's my new flooring. Love it. Got new cushions. New runners. And over by the door. And here's the cupboard by the Keurig. And I see you're crooked. And that's my new Wolf toaster oven. I love it. It doesn't get too hot. It doesn't feel like you're going to catch the house on fire. Again, the walls are gray. The banister is now gray. And my husband got me that chalkboard, which I love, and it tells me, I write down things I'm going to do with the next videos. And let me step back. And that's just looking down. Okay, so the last part was showing you down the stairwell. Here's the floor to the refrigerator. My Sienna that's always out year round. My kitchen cupboards. I really love the new colors. It gives it no justice with this lighting. So, and this is the view from the door that you step into our living room. And we did get a new ceiling fan, which I totally love. Platinum. And it works wonderful. And I got a new Bon Appetit sign before it was handwritten up there. So that's my new kitchen. I'll shut the shade so you can see what they look like. Totally down. I love it. And we got our my asparagus, carrots, peas, and tomato sign up there. Now, I know somebody's going to ask me, how do you keep that stainless steel clean? Okay, so when I clean my stainless steel, I use Norwax. There's the cleaning paste, which you can use for your stove top, anything, and it's really awesome. And I've had this for 2 years and barely even touched it, but I want to show you it. You just wet your rags with good hot water and rub it on there, and you will get off anything, and it smells wonderful. So you use the 2 gray rags from Norwex, and one is really hot, the other one's dry. And this is the best way to clean your stainless steel. You just wipe it down. I already did the bottom half. And this is just with hot water, no chemicals whatsoever. It's amazing. I thought my daughter-in-law was crazy when she told me this, because they have all stainless steel too. Then you wipe it down with the dry rag or the dry Norwex. Don't worry about streaking, because it doesn't. You think it will, but it don't. And that's it. Pull that out. And I wipe it down. And that's how easy it is to clean my stainless steel. And it looks beautiful. And it'll stay like that for a good couple days because of fingerprints. My stainless steel is all scratched up because of my rings. But I wanted to show you how I clean my stainless steel. Real easy. Do it a couple days, every other day or every day, however you want to do it. The Norwex gray Norwex products is really good, but I do love the gray for the stainless steel. I just thought I'd show you that tip that I use to clean my kitchen. So I hope you enjoyed the revealing of my kitchen. I do love it, and I want to thank you all for watching and being part of my family, and because that's what I consider you guys, my family and my friends. And big hugs from my pantry to yours.